Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us, and please consider subscribing. If you're a regular member of my awesome bomb squad, thank you for joining me again today and sharing a little bit of your time with me. Today I have an unboxing from Veeda Bella, which is the Nailed It's new silicone practice hand. And I tried to get this. Took me several attempts because it kept selling out. They're very popular. So, on the inside, it comes in this very lush black box, matte box, with black lettering. It says, for detailed instructional videos, please visit us at www.veedabella.com. So the first thing you get is your little thank you card with all of her socials on it. And on the back, it shows your directions, how to prep the hand, how to clean the hand, and your cautions. Comes in this beautiful black paper. And look at the bag it's in. Velvet bag with the Veeda Bella logo on it. Very posh. And look, here we go. Can you guys see this? Look at this hand. I am so excited. I got the True Tone, which is supposed to be almost the exact replica of V's skin tone. I got the non-posable hand because they're constantly sold out of the posable one. And I got the kit. Look at the palm. Look at the detail. I mean, there is a few lines, seams from where they cast it. But other than that, I mean, that's to be expected. Look at the detail. The line work, the veins, the knuckles. And I like that their cuticle area is a little bit thicker and not so thin, so that when you put the tips in, they don't poke through and you can't see them through the practice hand. I like that. Okay, so other than the hand, of course, her kit comes with a box of full cover natural coffin tips. Okay, you get sizes 0 through 9. And she recommends that you put them in backwards with the number inside the tip. It also comes with a set of rings for your display hand, which are super cute. It comes with a roll of double-sided sticky tape, complete with her logo on the bag too. And it also comes with, let's see, another little box. It says Veeda Bella. And this is your extra practice finger. I think that's so awesome that comes with that. Also in the same skin tone as the hand. So whatever skin tone you prefer, you'll get a matching finger. So that's it. Same details. Very nice. And then the last little thing in here should be your nail primer. Your hand primer. Which it is. Comes very nicely packaged, again, in a box, with Veeda Bella on it. And they wrap it and tape it up good so it doesn't leak. It's a squarish matte bottle, very plush. It says Veeda Bella Practice Hand Primer, and it is 14 mLs. Okay, and it's got your cautions, directions on how to use it, your warnings, all that on the back. So, let's look at this again. This is the hand. This is a full hand. At the moment, that's all she has on the website other than the fingers, I think. I don't know why it is. Every time I record a video, my voice goes wonky. Anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to pause here a minute. I'm going to get everything set up. And then I'm going to show you how to set up the practice hand. Okay? Stay with me. Okay, y'all. So this hand is really heavy. So I've got my red iguana stand, holding it up. And I had to put the box, the Veeda Bella box, underneath of it because it's super heavy and it was, the hand was resting on the table. So what I've done already is I've already sized out the tips, and I'm going to show you what you would do if you were going to use the primer and, set it up the way that they have the instructions. Okay, so you're going to take your primer, first of all, while you're getting ready to size your tips, and put a coat on each nail bed, okay? Let's just do these 4. Okay, and then you're going to let that dry. Now, I'm not sure because these directions say let it dry for 5 seconds, and the bottle of primer says 20 seconds. So go for somewhere in between, or either follow whichever one. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is, after you're sizing your tips, okay, so the index finger, I did not size the thumb, because just for demonstrational purposes. The index finger is a 6, okay? And what you would do, if you were going to apply these tips as per these instructions, you would then, once this dries, once the primer dries, you would then take whatever nail glue that you're using and apply to the nail bed, okay? Then you're going to take your tip, okay, and you're going to turn it around with the free edge sliding up into the pocket, okay? You're just going to slide it in there and hold it down for 5 seconds, okay? And then you would take your double-sided tape, then you would cut a piece to fit each one, okay? And then you would take that and you would stick that on to your nail just like that, okay? And then you would work from there. So in other words, most of the time, this one that you put down first into the pocket would not be changing, okay, unless it came loose for some reason or whatever. But I'm going to tell you, putting these, it could just be because it's new, but I don't think so. I think it's the way she's designed the pockets for the nails to fit in. These tips are not going anywhere. I got them in there and can barely get them out to show you me putting them back in. I mean, they don't budge. You're not budging these suckers. So, unless I decide somewhere down the road that I need more stability or whatever, I think you're going to be able to follow these suckers and everything. I don't think these things are going to go anywhere. And that's the perfect length if you're going to practice working on somebody's natural nails, okay, or short nail designs, that's the perfect length. So if you were going to, the middle and the ring finger are size 4, okay? So that means you're going to need 2 size 6s and 4 size 4s if you set this up part of the directions that came with the hand, okay? And you want to do this very carefully. You by no means want to damage or manhandle, excuse the expression, no pun intended, this hand. Just be very easy. They go right up in there. But now they do have some resistance. That's what's keeping them in there. But this is what they look like just with the one layer of artificial tips. That would be perfect for practicing short nail designs. And, you know, most of my clients are shorties. I've got 3 new clients, and 2 of them like medium length nails. So you are going to see more videos coming with a little bit longer nail designs other than on my own hand. But yeah, this would be great. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So lifelike. And to be honest, I mean, other than being able to bend your fingers and put them into a pose in your photos, you know, like holding a flower or holding around a present or something to that effect, I'm perfectly happy not having the posable hand. My stand is crooked. It's bugging me. Okay, so like I said, I did not size the thumb, but I'm pretty sure it would probably be a 0 or a 1. Let's see. This is the 0. You know, even without nails on, I can't get these things out of the box. It's crazy. Oh, it's because you have nails on. No, it's not. I just can't get my fingers to get them out of there. Okay, so this is the 0. This might be a tad. Yeah, see, you don't want to force that in there because it's way over the thumb sidewalls in the front at the free edge, and you're liable to split the pocket if you do. So let's try the 1. It might even take a 2. She's got itty bitty ditty nails. This is the 1. The 1 should be fine. The 1 fits nicely. And you could probably go to a 2 if you had to imitate, you know, your client's thumbnail or whatever. But the 1 fits nicely. Okay? So the thumb is a 1. So I am not going to be putting the glue and stuff just yet, and the extra nail tips, because I don't think I'm going to need that just yet. But the thumb is a 1, so if you were doing it that way, you would need 2 size 1s. The index is a size 6, so you'd need 2 size 6s. And these 2 fingers, the index and the ring finger, the middle finger and the ring finger, are both 4s. So you would need 4 size 4s. And the pinky nail is a size 7. So you would need 2 size 7s. Okay? I will do a video. I've got another video to do for Flora Nail Shop. So once I do that, I will then do a video using those products from Flora on the practice hand and put that up. Be on the lookout too for the Nail Genie SC video for my 100 subscriber giveaway that she won. She messaged me on Instagram and asked if I would mind if she did a video, and I told her that would be wonderful. I would really appreciate it. So make sure you go and stay in touch with her channel and check it out so that you can see when she posts. Okay? As soon as I get the other video done for Flora, then I will make another video showing me doing a set on these nails. Okay? If you have any recommendations in the meantime, you know, please put them in the description box, or, you know, message me or whatever. I'd be happy to, if you have any suggestions or recommendations or designs you'd like to see, I would be happy to accommodate. So please, again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And please remember, everyone, remember to like and comment and share my videos. Somehow or another, I've lost. I was up to 119. Now I'm back to 117. I don't know how that happens. But anyway, I'm really kind of getting discouraged. I don't know what's going on. So if you guys would please subscribe and like and share and comment and engage with my channel, that would really help me out a lot. And until next time, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Thank you all for joining me today. Stay safe and stay well.